Snapshot D.R. Horton, Inc. belongs to industrial goods sector and residential construction industry. Intraday trading of company. The industrial goods stock D.R. Horton, Inc. now trading its business at $44.26 by scoring 0.12% on Tuesday. Trading volume, or volume, is the number of shares or contracts that point towards the overall activity of a security or market for a given period. The company exchanged hands with 1,428,044 shares compared to its average daily volume of 3.77 M shares. Historical performances under review over the last week. D.R. Horton, Inc.'s shares returned 10.97% and in the past 30.0 days the figure appeared at 10.97%. Furthermore, over the 90.0 days, the stock was able to yield 22.81%. However, 37.27% is noted as its 180 days or half-yearly performance. The current EPS for the company has been recorded at $2.67. By applying the formula, the price-earnings PE ratio comes out to be 16.61. Major indicators to watch. The D.R. Horton, Inc. has 371.75 M shares outstanding with 8.86% insider ownership. The stock has weekly volatility of 1.73% and monthly volatility of 1.51% with a TER of 0.68 and beta of 3.03. Risk administration is a fundamental process used to make investment decisions. Beta measures the amount of systematic risk a security has relative to the whole market. The market has a beta of 1, and it can be used to gauge the risk of a security. The DHI is trading away to its 20 days, 50-day and 200-day moving averages by 5.24%, 13.76% and 27.35%, respectively. MGM Resorts International belongs to services sector and resorts casinos industry. NYSE MGM has grabbed attention from the analysts when it practiced a change of 2.21% in the current trading session and now trading at $31.25. A total of 2,272,611 shares exchanged hands during the intraday trade, contrast with its average trading volume of 8.22 M shares, while its relative vol stands at 0.72. MGM has market value of $17.35 billion while its EPS was booked as $1.69 in the last 12 months. The stock has 567.46 M shares outstanding. In the profitability analysis, the company has gross profit margin of 42.7% while net profit margin was 9.5%. Trading volume is a gauge of how many times a stock is bought and sold in a given time period, most commonly within a day of trading, known as the average daily trading volume, ADTV. A high degree of volume indicates a lot of interest in a stock. Often, a boost in the volume of a stock is a harbinger of a price jump, either up or down. ATR stands at 0.62 while beta factor of the stock stands at 1.44. Beta factor is used to measure the volatility of the stock. After a recent check, Capital One Financial Corporation NYSE COF stock is found to be 1.88% volatile for the week, while 2% volatility is recorded for the month. Most company stocks have very little volatility. They generally move extremely slowly and they only produce big price swings when the company produces good or bad trading results, which may only happen a couple of times a year at best. The company's distance from 52-week high price is 9.83% and the current price is 24.23% away from 52-week low price. The company has relative strength index RSI 14 of 50.74. Performance review of MGM Resorts International, NYSE MGM. The stock has shown weekly performance of 1.07% and monthly performance stands at 6.2%. The stock has shown quarterly performance of 5.68% and a half-year performance stands at 1.26%. Analyst recommendation for this stock stands at 2. United Continental Holdings, Inc., NYSE UAL make a change of 0.75% with the overall traded volume of 1,571,471 shares as compared to its average volume of 5.31 M shares and trading its business at 58.6. The company has the market value of $17.70 billion and its EPS ratio for the past year was $6.91. The company trading its business at $58.60. United Continental Holdings, Inc. belongs to services sector and major airlines industry. Technical analysis in the limelight. The organization has 299.80 M shares outstanding and 0% shares of the company were owned by institutional shareholders. The company has 0.47 value-in price-to-sale ratio while price-to-book ratio was recorded as 1.97. Its beta stands at 1.03. The average true range of the stock is recorded at 1.77 and the relative strength index of the stock stands 36.32. The stock has shown its weekly performance of 0.1% and monthly performance stands at 3.02%. The stock price is moving from its 200 days moving average with 7.91% and from 50 days moving average with 5.45%. Analyst recommendation for this stock stands at 2.6. 21st Century Fox, Inc., Nasdaq FOXA, plunged 1.08% with the trading price of $26.10. The overall volume in the last trading session was 1,567,555 shares. 21st Century Fox, Inc. belongs to services sector and entertainment, diversified industry. According to 21st Century Fox, Inc.'s insider ownership is at 0.1%. The total amount of shares outstanding is 1.83 B, giving the company a market capitalization of about 48.22 B. The stock has seen its SMA 50, which is now 2.47%. In looking the SMA 200, we see that the stock has seen 8.99%, the company's net profit margin for the 12 months at 10.4%. Comparatively, the GASES have a gross margin 37.6%. Profitability ratios of FOXA. Looking into the profitability ratios of FOXA stock, a shareholder will find its ROE standing at 20.1%, 5.9%, and 9.2% respectively. Earnings per share. Details of 21st Century Fox, Inc. The EPS of FOXA is strolling at 1.61, measuring its EPS growth this year at 13.6%. As a result, the company has an EPS growth of 13.17% for the approaching year. Given the importance of identifying companies that will ensure earnings per share at a tall rate, we later obsession to umpire how to identify which companies will achieve high amassing rates. One obvious showing off to identify high earnings proportion count together companies are to locate companies that have demonstrated such build-up beyond the P/S 5 to 10 years. We can't have enough maintenance. The wants will always reflect the difficult, but logically stocks that have grown earnings per allowance strongly in the subsequent two are a fine bet to continue to take effect as a result. Company's EPS for the past 5 years is valued at 4.9%, leading it to an EPS value of 8.37% for the next 5 years. Performance review in focus. Taking a look at the performance of FOXA stock, an investor will come to know that the weekly performance for this stock is valued at 1.12, resulting in a performance for the month at 0.04%. Therefore, the stated figure displays a quarterly performance of 9.72%, bringing 6-month performance to 13.28% and year-to-date performance of 5.88%. As of now, 21st Century Fox, Inc. has a PS, PE and PB values of 1.69, 16.35 and 3.11 respectively. Its P-cash is valued at 7.82.